Jai Sriman Let four of us together collectively make sure whatever our Father wished to do, let us make sure that happened here. Let four of us establish our Father's fame. Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami convincing Bharata. When that is happening, after seeing that situation and scene, after seeing Bharata is crying and begging Rama, there is one Brahmana whose name is Jabali. Though he is Brahmana, now he is started talking with Ramachandra Swami with some of the dialogues which are against to our Vedic scriptures. He is purposefully doing that only to make sure Rama comes back to Ayodhya. But his actual intention is not to go against Vedas. Now that Jabali is saying that, Rama, you are such a brave man and you have great intellect. You are now behaving and acting and talking like a very, very common man. You should not be doing that. You should not be talking that he is my father, she is my mother and all these things. No, you should not be having all these attachments. Whoever builds such kind of attachments, they are known as mad people in this world. You should not be doing that. Edeko jayate ekayeva vinasyati. We came just by ourselves alone. We will be going from this by ourselves alone. So we should not be worrying about anything else. You have nothing to be attaining here. You just enjoy whatever is there. Like this, Jabali started giving a dialogue to Rama which goes against to the Vedic scriptures. Jabali saying to Rama, saying that, "Oh Rama, as and how when someone is traveling from one place to other place, on his way he will stop by at some place and from there again he will start traveling. When he stops at some place, he would not remember where he stopped and what he was enjoying. He just forgets about everything and again he will continue his travel. So also on our way in our life, the mother, father, house, wealth, everything comes just like that only. We should not be carrying them all the way until our journey is over. No, we should just forget. As and how we go and stay in a hotel and or other places, as and how we forget them, so also we should be forgetting all kind of relations and start continuing our journey. Oh Rama, we should never carry them in our thoughts. So also don't think about all this Pitru Devatas and everything. Oh Rama, your father gave your kingdom. Come on, you are in a very young age. You go ahead and enjoy this kingdom. You should not be doing this and living in this forest. Oh Rama, you start enjoying the wealth and enjoying all pleasures, comforts out of this kingdom. Raja Bhogan Anubhavan. Viharatvam Ayodhyayam. Come back to Ayodhya and start enjoying everything, Rama. And Nate Kaschit Dasarathatvam. You are no one to Dasaratha. For you, Dasaratha is no one. Don't worry about all these things. Tasyana Kaschana. So also you are same thing to Dasaratha. He doesn't care you. Come on. Kuru Yaduchyate. As and how I say, come back and start ruling the kingdom and start enjoying everything. You know what, Rama? For our birth, father is very, very tiny reason, tiny cause, whereas mother is the main cause. So your father has gone to where he is supposed to be going. He has gone there. Don't carry all these false relations and start worrying about them. Oh Rama, whatever the pleasures right now existing right in front of you for you to enjoy, come on, go ahead and enjoy all those comforts. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.